Guys, what is up? We're back with another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Seriously, like the last few weeks, the support has been really awesome. I've been getting so many kind messages from you guys. The holidays are coming up and I am just in a great mood. So if you're tuning in today, please make sure to hit that like button. Also, just a couple quick reminders. The Off-White UNC $2,000 cash giveaway that we're doing on Instagram is ending this week. So make sure to go enter. It is completely free and one of you guys is going to win. So why not you? It takes literally a minute of your time and you can win $2,000 or a pair of Off-White UNCs. And also, the December mystery box is on sale with the link in the description for $49.99. The Christmas extravaganza box. Get yours this week because on Sunday night they are gone forever. That being said, we have a really fun video today and I am so thankful that you joined us for it. So I've been in Toronto for 2 months now, actually getting close to more than 2 months, and my condo building still somehow has not figured out how to put my name on my condo so I can get packages delivered. Sorry, they're quite literally cutting up the street behind me. Thankfully though, most everything that I've been ordering is getting delivered to DHL, where if it was UPS, I'd need to walk 6 blocks. If it was Canada Post, I'd need to walk 8 blocks. If it was FedEx, heaven forbid, I would need to walk 13 blocks. Thankfully, there is a DHL pickup spot, like literally right around the corner from my condo building. We have a package there that we are... Wow, there's a lot of construction noise today. We have a package that we're picking up from DHL. I have to say, DHL has some of like the nicest, the best customer service. I can't speak for the entire company, but at least at that place, like I've only been there 3 or 4 times and they just remember me and didn't ask for my ID or anything, which is very easy and very, I mean, I don't know where my tracking number is. I can't be expected to keep track of such things. I'm not a real responsible adult. We have the package though. I paid a ridiculous, what are we working with here? $212.35 of duties. Canada is expensive. Goat Instant Ship strikes again. Even though it is the holiday time, even though shipping is crazy and we are seeing like quite literally the highest shipping volumes that we have ever seen in the history of humanity in December 2020 right now, these still showed up from Goat Instant Ship in 3 days. Goat Instant Ship, I don't know how you do it. I appreciate you, even though it cost me $212 to get these into the country, plus a ridiculous amount, I think like 550 Canadian dollars for the shoes. So I ended up paying over $700 for a pair of Yeezys that's gonna go for $350. I mean, when I say it like that, it doesn't sound like that good of a deal anymore, but Goat, keep it up with your shipping times. I have barely even seen pictures of these, let alone seen them in person, because I definitely haven't seen these in person. I am excited though. These feel heavy. I don't know why these feel heavy. It should just be a regular Yeezy weight. I got a size 11 Sand Taupe, and Sand Taupe. It's supposed to say Sand Taupe, but it just says like Sand Taupe. All right, moment of truth. These things are going to be amazing. I just feel it right now. These things are going to be, ooh, ooh, I like these. Oh, I like these very much. I very much do like these. Oh, wow. Oh my. These are beautiful. Oh, wow. These are very, very, very good. Guys, I'm just telling you, if you are on the fence right now on these shoes, I'm officially taking you, grabbing you by the shoulders right now. I'm just gonna grab you by the shoulders. You're gonna be like, oh, Tom's gonna give me a nice shoulder massage. Nope, I'm going to grab you by the shoulders and pull you off the fence to my side of the fence. Why do you always fart? Look at these shoes. These are Gorgeous. These are such a nice pair of shoes. All the shades and all the different colors on this pair of shoes that you can't even pick up on regular photos. I mean, I didn't know that there was orange in this pair of shoes. I've seen a couple of videos of these posted online. I purposely didn't watch them. There's orange all over this shoe. Besides that, it really does remind me of the Earth Yeezys that came out like early March, probably just before quarantine started hitting everywhere and the world completely changed. The Earth Yeezys came out and they looked very similar. They had this like taupe color, which I guess these are literally called Sand Taupe now that I think about it. And then they had a yellow heel right there. It was yellow on the Boost part. And then the rest of it was very similar except for this orange. And this orange is so cool. I actually really like this orange. I think that just adds a nice little, you could even maybe call it a peach. Like, I don't think it's just a straight up like safety orange or something like that. That is a very cool shade. Obviously 11 isn't my preferred size. I would obviously like to get a size 12 if I could, except that the size 12 is just way more expensive. So if I could save $30 or $40 to be able to squeeze these on my feet for 30 seconds for a video, I was more than happy to do it. But guys, just trust me when I say that this is a really nice looking pair of shoes. Now, after seeing these in hand, I do need to give you guys my release advice as per usual. These things will sell out. These are not going to be like those garbage green 380s that we took a look at last week that you could get 7 hours or 7 days or probably 7 years after release for retail. These are going to go quick. These are going to go really quick. People are going to want these. People are going to be trying to buy these. Last minute holiday gifts, forget about it. Like, these are going out the door quickly on foot sites, on Yeezy Supply, on Adidas. These are not going to sit around. So if you want these, do your due diligence. Enter the raffles. If they're still open by the time you're seeing this, if you can still enter raffles, enter a raffle. If it's morning release on Saturday, just please wake up on time and get these, because these aren't going to be sitting around 3 hours after the release unless, who knows, unless I'm completely off base and for some reason these are sitting around 3 hours after release, but I would be shocked if they were. I really like these. Like, I have been so tired of all the Yeezy releases because it's just the same thing over and over again, and I've voiced that to you. Like, I've stopped getting excited by Yeezys. But these ones have sort of changed that. Like, looking at this, I'm excited to see these. I'm excited to have these in my hand. I would keep these. I would wear these if these were not a size 11. Now, that being said, of course, these are a size 11, but they're still big enough for me to squeeze onto my feet for a couple minutes to show you guys what these look like on feet. So I'm gonna be back in a minute, but we're gonna show you right now the Yeezy 350 Taupe on feet. So that is what these shoes look like, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you. You guys are my favorite people on earth. I am really excited for you guys to be able to get these in hand and enjoy them, because I think you really will. If you're still watching to this point in the video, make sure to comment, watch till the end. All the real family. Seriously, as I said at the beginning of the video, the fact that you guys tune in every single day means the world to me. This is my favorite group of people on earth, this community that we've built here. Go show each other some love. Wish each other a happy Hanukkah, a happy Christmas, a happy Kwanzaa, whatever you want to do down in the comment section below. Honestly, just a happy December or a happy 2020 in general, because I think we could all use it. I don't think of it as me talking to a bunch of individuals. I think of it as like a community where even if you're a random person that's never met another random person, but you guys both watch my videos, then you're both friends because we're all part of the same community. So that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, December mystery box, link in the description, $49.99. They go away forever this weekend. So get yours before they're gone. Off-White Jordan 1s, Union LA Jordan 1s, really cool shoes, a bunch of Yeezys, and a bunch of cool items in every single box. So that being said, guys, thank you. I appreciate you. And until next time, peace.